Kapuhay, kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk. Isa sa kanyang pinakamalapit na kaibigan at isang anak-anakan. Please welcome Boots Anson Roa and Annie Harris. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Happy anniversary.
Maraming salamat.
Unang-unang nasilayan ko ang ganda ni Itaglo in person was the shooting ng Monghita ng mga 1952 ito. This was one of her leading roles, first leading roles, if not the first. At ang kanyang leading man ay ang tatay ko, si Oscar Moreno.
What was your reaction when you saw her?
Mesmerized kasi hindi lang maganda pero makita mo na galing sa loob. Galing sa loob. As we did so
Then when I saw her, medyo madilim ang Casa Marcos eh. Pero kita mo yun nga, yung radiance ni Tita Glo, yung liwanag at aliwalas ng mukha niya na wala kang ma-feel sa kanya na nayaba na ako si Miss Gloria Romero. Wala siyang ganon. Hi, I'm Annie. Ganyan siya. Amelia, ganon.
A couple of years back, gumawa kami ng isang commercial. Print ito. Wellness product. Nagulat ako kay Tita Glo kasi game na game pala siya. Naka-rugged ng pareho kaming out of the box ang characterization. And she was so game. Tapos meron kami mga yoga poses na hindi ako makakagwanta sa yoga pose. Pero siya, kayang-kaya niya. And she's 10 years older than me, di ba? So nagulat ako, tsaka napaka-professional up to that time. And then, walang reklamo, kahit napuyat, wala talagang reklamo.
Out of nowhere, wala naman akong background sa acting and everything. Here comes Tita Glo. Pag tinawag na yan, mag-throw lines na. Pag kami lahat may hawak pang script, Tito Boy, babasahin namin yung mga linya namin, ganyan. Gloria Romero, nakaganyan lang. Tapos titignan ka lang niya. Pag narinig niyang nasabi mo na yung linya mo, na last line mo, at magsasalita na siya, sasagot siya. Tapos minsan hindi pa yung sasagot. Nakalimutan mo yung linya mo na. Ito yung sasabihin mo. Alam niya! Hihintayin pa niya minsan yung buntutin mo yung period, ganyan. So, ito yung linya mo, ihawak mo kalimutan. Oo, ganyan. Hanggang sa ang tagal na, tumatagal na, yung mga boys hindi naman nagbabasa ng script. Sabi ni Tita Glo, ano ba ito, Amelia, mga kasama natin? Hindi nagbabasa ng script. Ganyan.
What was that beauty like?
For Tita Glo, siguro.
What was that beauty like?
Siguro facially, no? Talagang perfect yung beauty niya. Whether you take the face as a whole or you take it feature by feature. Maganda talaga.
Separately ang mata.
Yeah.
Pero para sa akin, it was because of her interior life. It was the inner glow that radiated.
Halimbawa lamang, nabigyan tayo ng pagkakataon. If you were to write the epitaph for Tita Glo, how would it go? Gloria Romero.
Naisip ko, Serviam, it's Latin for I serve. Because she served the industry.
Yes, she did.
She served through her acting, through her persona. For Mobile Fund in particular, she supported Mobile Fund talaga. Kasi alam niya yung plight ng mga maliliit, galing siya.
Amelia, ikaw, anong sasabihin?
Pagiging loving niya talaga. Loving, being kind niya to everyone.
She loved, she was kind.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yun talaga siya eh. Yung wala kang maririnig sa kanya talagang masakit na salita or masamang salita.
Beautiful human being.
Oo, nagjo-joke lang siya pero
yeah.
Yun, that's the right one. Beautiful human being.
Maraming salamat, Mary.
Thank you.
Boots, maraming salamat.
Thank you.